In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best portable saunas available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the portable saunas list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the portable saunas mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Thickened 120 cm Adult Children's Bathtub. Description: the number 5 offering presents a luxurious bathing experience with its 120 cm thickened bathtub suitable for both adults and children. This portable home sauna features a convenient folding design, making it easy to store and set up. Ideal for sweat steaming sessions, it ensures insulation for a comfortable experience. The large capacity of the bath bucket allows for a relaxing soak, creating a spa-like atmosphere in the comfort of your home. Upgrade your bath time with this spacious and versatile thickened bathtub. Number 4, Portable Folding Steam Sauna SPA Tent. Description: introducing Number 4, a portable folding steam sauna SPA tent designed for 1 or 2 people. This innovative product promotes weight loss and full-body slimming without the need for a steamer. The free shipping option adds to the convenience of this sauna experience. The compact design makes it easy to set up at home, creating a personal spa room for relaxation and rejuvenation. Enjoy the benefits of a steam sauna without the hassle, as this tent provides a hassle-free solution for your wellness journey. Number 3, Portable Sauna Tent with Individual Steam Box. Description: Number 3 brings you a sauna tent steam person portable spa, a personal body room that is fully foldable. This individual sauna comes with a compact steamer box, making it suitable for home, indoor travel, and single bath experiences. The foldable design enhances convenience, allowing you to set up your personal spa wherever you go. Indulge in the therapeutic effects of steam in the comfort of your own space with this portable sauna tent. This portable sauna's link in description for more information. Number 2, Portable Folding Steam Sauna SPA Tent Box. Description: enhance your weight loss and full-body slimming journey with Number 2, a portable folding steam sauna SPA room tent box. Suitable for 1 or 2 people, this sauna tent eliminates the need for a steamer, making it a hassle-free option for home use. The portable and foldable design ensures easy setup and storage, providing a convenient solution for your wellness needs. Enjoy the benefits of a steam sauna in the comfort of your own space with this compact and practical tent. Number 1, Portable Sauna with 2.0 L Steam Machine. Description: Number 1 introduces a portable sauna household steam room featuring a beneficial 2.0 L steam machine for a slimming bath spa experience. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, this portable sauna enhances skin health and overall well-being. The simple joint design makes it easy to assemble and disassemble, offering a hassle-free solution for at-home relaxation. Immerse yourself in the therapeutic benefits of steam with this portable sauna, designed for convenience and health benefits.